guys, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. A bingo bango? Question mark? A bingo bango? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time is your time, it's always time to make this money. Sometimes it's rough, guys. It's rough. Unless you're doing shorts. But even with shorts, it's very high risk because they could bounce at any moment. But with that being said, my name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. And we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. We go level by level. We really do. We're looking at these charts level by level, longing, shorting. Now, granted, in the group, my VIP group, we haven't been shorting. We have not been shorting just because I'm personally afraid of the bounce. But that bounce isn't happening, and pretty soon we're coming up to our level to where we're going to start shorting. Now, could we have shorted this whole time? Sure, of course. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's what everybody does. But it's just too dangerous. Too dangerous and trying to protect the money. Of course, we've been just kind of updating our charts, updating just thought process, doing videos. So let's go ahead and get started. If you do want to join the group, of course, here's the information. Give me a message on Telegram. We'll tell you what the group's about. Trade_intuition. And let's go ahead and move on with this. Hourly time frame. Same thing with the daily. Here's the daily. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. I believe it was this morning. My days and hours getting mixed up because my sleep schedule or lack thereof. But I don't remember if, I think it was this morning, where we had a really nice, or yesterday, I don't know. We had a really nice kind of bounce, and some of these tokens were moving. And I believe it was the day before yesterday, then yesterday again, time. But we ended up entering Jupiter. We entered Jupiter. And after the bounce, because it had already run up about 9%, and then it retraced beautiful to our resistance support level, and we entered there, and only 50%. And then, of course, we're waiting for it to break the high. Just came down. It went up, and then it came down. Like, oh, come on, man. It's getting rough out there, guys. It's getting rough. Well, it's been rough. It really has. Put a +1 if it's been rough lately. I'm talking like the last 3 months. Like more rough than it normally is. Where's the bull run? That's my question. Where is the bull run? We're locked and loaded, guys. We are locked and loaded until we get there. Make sure to be sharpening your skills every single day. You know, don't look at your portfolio. Instead, watch videos. Watch my videos. I show you how to do all this stuff. I show you how to do fundamental analysis, technical analysis, also tokenomics. That's really important. Token unlocks, really important. Let's see here. We got Duality Crypto in the house on the Super Bowl Sunday. Let's go. Let's go. We have Crypto Coin Mindset. Happy Sunday. Bingo Bango from X. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for being here. Yeah, +1s in the house. Yeah, it's really rough, guys. Really rough. So here's the thing. If you're not making money, it's okay. If you're losing money, it's okay. The market, any moment now, is going to get better. And it's kind of like, right now, I feel like those people that's in the bear market were saying, the bull market's coming. And the next day, the bull market's coming. The next day, bull market. And then finally, the bull market's here. And I told you, it was coming. So that's kind of how I feel right now, where, you know, it's not trying to give you hopium or anything like that. When the market takes off, it's going to take off. Now, I'm going to go over some stuff that I really want to just kind of make you all aware of. Granted, I've been saying this for a few weeks now, but we're going to go over it again because I think it's very important. So let's go and get started. Let's get on with the show. I appreciate you for being here today. I'm not going to look at the viewer count. And if I do, I'm not going to get upset. Because sometimes I look there and it's like, oh, come on, man, really? But today's Super Bowl Sunday. Probably everybody's already passed out on the couch. Game hasn't even started yet. they're all, doing cookouts and everything else. No cookouts for me. No wings or anything like that. I might pick up some wings today, just in celebration. We'll see. Let's see if Bitcoin can give me something to celebrate, or if I'm going to be eating ramen for the rest of the week. Don't want any more ramen. Here we go. Let's look at this on a higher time frame. Now, what I want to show, and I've shown this a few times. Let's go ahead and hide all our drawings. I really don't want this to play out. I really don't. And I believe this was I actually believe it was on Crypto Coin Mindsets Friday night show at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And let me put that in the chat because I do have it available. So right now I have my 3 main people that I absolutely love. So Crypto Coin Mindset, I think, I just put in the chat. Here we go live. Well, actually we go live on Mondays at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over the economics, we go over the deck calendar or the deck calculator. We go over thought process on crypto. But on Friday nights, that's where the fun really is, because we kick back, we hang out, we drink a couple of brewskis, or water, whatever your preference is, and we just talk crypto, about life, about the politics. We try not to get too much into politics, but it's a great time. And I believe maybe a few weeks to a month ago or so, again, my days get confused, but we were talking about this possibly being the high. I don't like thinking about this, but this is something we have to talk about. And the past few weeks, I've been mentioning, what if, how on the maps where it says you are here, what if this is this? I don't want to see it. I don't want to believe it. But as the days continue, I can't help but see that we may be here. Now, the only thing that will convince me that we are here is if we break this main level right around 93.1. Now, it's not exact, but the close of this level, 93.5, we call it 93.6. We break this level right here. We break this level, man, I believe a week ago, one of the other members were saying that I don't use Market Cipher, but Market Cipher was saying that there was a blood diamond printed on the daily time frame, which usually gives us about a 20% retrace, which would put us right around this level, right around the 75, 76-ish level, which would correspond with our low volume node. So there's a lot of things pointing to the downside, like a lot of things. I don't want to see this break. I don't know if you can hear the desperation in my voice. I don't. But if it does, though, we're gonna make some really good money. We're gonna end up shorting the market. Could we have shorted way up here? Yes. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But to me, it was higher risk because, well, it could have come down a little bit and then shot straight up, continuing the FOMO, continuing the bullishness. And that's the biggest thing, guys. Like, don't beat yourself up if you're making decisions based off of the information you have at that moment. So remember that all the decisions you're making is because from the data that you currently have. You don't know the future. You can have certain things saying, yes, it may come down, or yes, it may go up, but we're trading against people. We're trading against market makers. So even though you have everything screaming bullish, it could come down. Even though you have everything screaming bearish, it could go up. So once again, level by level. And I truly do not want to go short until we break this level. Once we break this level, you better believe it, we're going short. We're going to go short. And, right now in the group, we're not posting all these, setups, long or short right now because of the market. The market's not looking great. Now, there have been a few, we did enter Jupiter, as I mentioned earlier. And man, matter of fact, let me show you the chart. This is the chart. Let's go. I was actually trading futures on this, and I got my butt kicked. I entered along here, did really well. Then I should have shorted. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But instead, I closed out my trade. I went and did something else. I go in and look, it's way down here. I was like, oh man, I should have shorted, you know, because, well, that's why I took profit, because I thought it was going to come down. But to about here, and then go up. And look at what actually happened. I'm thinking it's going to come down to about here, about 50% or ish. Came down, and then came back up. And then here's like, oh, here's the bounce. And I forget what level it was. Let's see here. What level was this? Low to the high. Look at this. So it came down into the golden pocket, started coming up, thinking it's a breakout. Going to the 5-minute time frame, that's what I'm trading on. And here it's right here, starting to come up. Like, all right, let me go ahead and start longing. Granted, I should have waited for this, but it's like, let me go start longing because I want to, you know, make some nice gains. It goes up to this, and I said, oh man, I entered too soon. I didn't. Well, no, I would have break this level. Came up here, started coming down, and then close it out. And then I opened a short. Once it hit this, I opened a short, started coming down. I think it was here. Started coming down. Then it bounced, I thought, off of the 786, and it started coming up. I was, let me close out my short. Should I still leave a short open? No, let me close it. Then it came down, then it came up. It's like, oh, good. Getting a bounce, breaking through. All right, more than likely we're going to go up. And because this right here, beautiful bounce. And I actually caught the bounce down here somewhere. Now that I'm remembering, because I saw this. I said, well, let me open a long. Granted, I'm front running it big time. But this time, hopefully, I can make up some of this that I didn't take. Sure enough, open it along, doing great. Coming down, beautiful retest, beautiful break. And it starts coming down, break this level. Come on, let's go. Come down here, bouncing up, good. And then, boop, stopped out. It's like, crap. Now it's coming down here. Now it's coming up. It was like, man, oh man. So this is our thought process on Jupiter. Kind of give everybody a heads up on this one. Here, so we saw it here, and I posted in the group. Normally, and this is one thing, so this is all teaching. This is all teaching you stuff. Here, we saw the price come up, and I notified the VIP group, and I said, normally, right now we would enter, but, and I stress this to everybody, especially in the group, always be a detective on how I post and why I'm posting. Normally, I would say enter now, have a lower entry, you know, down here, or wait for the break of whatever. This was my thought process. And price action was right here at the time. And I said, but right now, I'm not saying to enter right now. We have to wait for the bounce. So sure enough, it came down, and then it came up. Where do we enter? Let me double check. Oh, it's on the 15 minutes. Well, let me look to see on the 1 hour. Okay, so this, where was that? Let's go to the 1 hour, 1 second. So this is the actual post on the 1 hour. So that is, oh, that's right here. Ooh. So that was right here. So I was thinking it was going to come up to this level. See this? Oh, it didn't come up. Okay. So that's where we were doing it. This is the 1 hour. Yeah. All right. Let's see here. Oh, this line was from, I think the posting I did in the VIP. Regardless, here's where we entered. Because it came down from where we saw it, came down, beautiful, started coming up, came down, started getting a test on this, a bullish retest. And like, all right, let's go ahead and enter. As soon as we entered, boop, roll over. So I'm hoping that we get a bounce right in the same area to come up. And then we have to break this level first and this level. But that's what happens, guys. That's what happens. Caffeinated Crypto in the house. What's up, Caffeinated Crypto? Appreciate you, man, being here. We got Julian in the house. What's going on? A Jay Violet going on. So happy you guys are here. So happy you guys are here. All right, so let's go to Bitcoin. I really hope that this is not this. If we break this level and we don't bounce off of the zone, and I'll show you the zone in just a moment. If we don't bounce off of that zone, we're looking for a world of hurt, and definitely I'm going to be posting shorts, and we'll be talking more about shorts. And then anybody who's, you know, asking for coins, whether it's Jupiter, Ondo, Bitcoin, DOT, XRP, is more than likely going to be short setups, because who knows, we may be, let's see, April, about 2 months. Man, I don't want to see that. And I was actually talking to Army Piper on the phone just about an hour ago, I guess. And, you know, we were talking about this too and other things, but, you know, we ended up with this. And I said, man, what if everything got pushed up? You know, we had the altcoin, we had the all-time high prior to the halving, never happened before, got pushed up. What if this is this run up is this run up? You know, I just thought of this right now. And this is why it's good to clear everything off and just kind of like look at it. Man, I'm going to give y'all some ugly news right now. But I mean, it's good news because we can short and have more conviction in the shorts. I was saying, what if this is this? What if this is this? And this is the second run up here. That would be absolutely horrible, in my opinion, for my portfolio. Now, can I still make money? Heck yeah. But all the coins that I've been holding, that would be devastating. I just saw this right now. What if this is actually this part? Because everything's pushed up so much. Now, I'm still going to make money. My group is still going to make money. You're still going to make money, because if we do break this level, let's go put our levels back on. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. If we do break this level, and this is our bounce zone that it tapped, it barely tapped it and it came up, but this is literally our last line of defense, this little zone right here. If we break this, and of course this trend line is from the previous all-time highs, it's going to break this more than likely. And this right here, Army Piper was talking about this about a week ago, I guess, in reference to the fib retracement, the 382 level on a monthly, I believe, or a weekly. For me, I'm going to wait for the daily. But I mean, we're going to double down on our shorts if it breaks this level. We're going to be entering shorts around here, doubling down around here, and let's just see how much money we can make. And it's not just gonna be straight down. It's gonna be down, up, but more than likely creating lower lows and lower highs. More than likely. So right now we're just waiting. We are just waiting. I don't want to think like that, really, because I'm biased. I want my portfolio to have 14 zeros instead of $14. Yes. We'll see. Let's see what we got going on in the chat. We do have more people in the chat. I do appreciate you guys greatly. Thank you so much for smashing the likes. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Right now, let's kind of examine this just a little bit further, and then we're going to go into some coins, kind of get more thought process on this whole crypto space and everything else. So this is our hourly time frame. And this is what I love doing this. Just looking to see what has been done and what has been unburdened. No, wait, wrong speech. Man, we need a bull run. That's what we need. We get little bits and taste. You know, last year, can't believe it's already been a year, guys. Last year in March. Oh man. But anyway, here, hourly time frame. Came down, came up, bounced about 38% from the drop, came down, again, retesting this level, came up, broke this level, which was good. We needed a retest and a break now of this level. We got a retest, a very small retest, right here, coming up, but it couldn't break this level. Then it started coming down. Came down to here, higher low, which is good. Came up, higher low, which is good. Couldn't break this level. Definitely didn't break this level or this level. Continue coming down. Tapped our level, our zone, our box, and now it's coming up. Now, in order for me to be bullish, this has to break this level. And the bearish would have to break. More than likely, this will not go lower. Hopefully these buying pressure wicks push it up, and then we continue going up. And then now this is my zone that can easily go up and down, but until it breaks this, it will start the possible momentum change from our downtrend. This will be the start. Then the next level needs to break is this one up here, and the next one finally up here. But only time will tell. Only time will tell. Let us look. Hey, not too bad. I just looked at the viewers, and it's not too bad. Way better than I thought. So I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. If you have a coin, if you have a question, or maybe you had a question in the very beginning, like when you first started out, like what were your questions when you first started out? That way, hopefully, if we have new people coming into the space and they happen to see this, you know, they can see your question, and of course, the way I answer it. And then possibly you can even answer your own question. All right, moving on. Let's go to Sui, I believe was the last one we're looking at. Let's come over here to this. Let's go to YouTube rapid fire. All right. So Sui, same thing, you know, we have this zone right here, and we're saying that, you know, what we need to do is a bullish retest where the price comes up, comes down, doesn't have to retest this actual level, but as long as it comes down and then breaks the high, that's what we're looking for. Now, if it comes down and retests the level it broke out from, even better. And this one we did not enter. Now, granted, look at, I mean, it's nice. It's looking nice. It looks like it's bouncing here, but we don't want to enter. We don't want to enter. And sure enough, came down. All right, let's put this on our watch list. YouTube, rapid fire. There we go. And let's go through some of these coins. So this one is AI companions. Now, I actually looked at this one and I liked it. It was pretty intriguing as far as just the product itself. Price, first time we saw it was here. And, you know, it already ran up. And I know that we said, you know, enter here with the anticipation of it coming down. Very high likelihood that it might come down. We don't know. It could have gone up 80% more. Very low market cap. But from here, I'm thinking you put some in now. More than likely, it might come down, come up, come down, go up. And or because of the market cap, it could come down, come up, and then lose its strength, lose all this gains that it just received, and retrace, come up to try to fight, and then give up because people are just taking profit. They're doing what you want to do. Come down here around this level, about the 618, and we would have our lower entry here. Did our lower entry hit? That's, ooh, so close. So close. Missed it barely. And then it came up, down, up, down. All right. So looking at this one, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't come down to at least here. Hopefully it bounces. Hopefully it bounces off the 0.5 before going up. If it does go lower, hopefully no lower than 618. And then of course our lower entryway. I do like it. Here, gotta bounce, my friend. See you tomorrow. Yeah, definitely, man. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it greatly, especially today, man. Like, this means a lot to me. Thank you, guys. Like, I didn't expect anybody to be here. I really did. I expected everybody to have their pants unbuttoned and a beer in one hand or a adult beverage on one hand and ribs in the other. So appreciate you guys for being here. Of course, I'm referring to the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl. Oh, speaking about, so right now we do have some results from the votes. It says, are you trading? 40% say yes, shorting the market. Nice work. 20% says nope. Are you crazy? And then we have another 40% that say more praying than trading. Yeah. If I would have known, of course nobody does. If I would have known that crypto was going to do this, I would have invested in cannabis. Sure would have. But I will say though, I'm very happy to be in crypto. Very happy. It's giving me this opportunity to teach. It's giving me this opportunity to make life-changing money. You know, all you need is one coin. Man, so many millionaires were made last season with Solana. So many millionaires were made last season with BNB and many other coins. Many other coins. So I would like to know in the chat, what other coins do you know of that made people millionaires? So I know for sure BNB, and I know for sure Solana. What are the tokens that you know of did amazing numbers and made people millionaires? Let me know in the comments. All right. And if you're watching this on the replay, let me know as well. Let me know as well. But don't just put, you know, Ondo or Sui or Sol or whatever. Put such as the name of the token made millionaires. Because then if you just put DOT, I'll think, oh, you want me to review DOT. So moving on. Here we go. Let's see here. Let's go to the next one. What's the next one? Next one is linear. What do I have here? Just some information in reference to entering. Oh, and we got stopped out. We got stopped out. We didn't face all of this downturn. So here, for this one, we would definitely need to wait if we're going to enter this for it to break this level. 0.002649. Definitely need that to wait. I mean, the market is not great. Don't expect, you know, great things from a market that's not great. Same thing. Here needs to break this level. Man, it's rough today. See, and one thing that's kind of holding me back from shorts is, I mean, they really move so much already. And I hate to do a short and then the market flips because it's already dumped so hard. But then looking at Bitcoin, we have this possible breaking of this bounce zone. And then of course all the coins will dump like another 30, 50%, depending on the market cap, maybe even 70%. It's rough. It is so rough. Let's see here. Yep. That was one. I didn't want to say it though. I was going to see if somebody could pick it. But yes, Shiba, for sure. Shiba made a lot of millionaires. How about Doge? Did Doge make millionaires? I keep on seeing that video where the interviewers where we're talking to the Doge millionaire, and they were trying to convince him for like 30 minutes to sell at least half of it. He's like, nope, not gonna do it. And that's one of the things that I'm gonna be doing for everybody, whether it's, you know, on the live streams or in the VIP, is when the time's great and everybody's doing some massive numbers. I'm gonna be, you might want to take some profits, guys. Not financial advice, but I want to, you know, shave something off, 20%, 50%, something. But when that time comes, we'll get there. We will get there. All right. Next one is CAS. Same thing with CAS. You know, like, and all these coins right now are looking like this. All these coins. Again, my biggest thing is we've already missed all these moves. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But I'm looking for that short squeeze, because I know people are shorting. I'm looking for that short squeeze. And so far nothing. So far nothing. Oh, big, I always forget. Giver's Gain is on. Crypto Billy. We're gonna go over there in about 10 minutes. We'll cut ours short, we'll go over there. They never have it to where I can forward to them though. I've asked Billy several times already. Like, Crypto Billy, I wanna, you know, raid your thing. And man, you guys have no idea how happy I am that y'all are here. No idea. Man, I love you guys so much. But he's like, Joe, I don't know how to do any of that stuff. I was like, come on, man. Now I can put my boot to you. All right, we're gonna go there in about 10 minutes. See here, is there a good one? XRP. Like, I'm gonna end up charting all these coins for the downside, like deep boot. I mean, I don't know what the coin is, but I mean, it's ready for a short. Like, literally ready for a short. Hyper, as much as I hate it, man. I mean, I love Hyper. Hyper is also almost ready. Let's see here, ORAI. This one, same thing. But again, I'm so afraid of shorting to see it, you know, bounce 50%. It's like, oh, come on, man. What happened? ACH. Man, look at this. Horrible. It's crazy. Crazy. All right, people are dropping off. Let's go ahead and go to Billy's. Let's go to Billy's. Let's see if we can add them. Edits. And once again, guys, I'm so happy you guys are here. So happy. It's funny too, because in the beginning it's like, I might have a few people, but I actually had more than I was expecting. So here, it's not here. Come on, Crypto Billy. What is it? Giver's Gain 111 or something like that. Let me go to his YouTube channel and we'll see if we can do that. That'd be pretty cool. Here, Giver's Gain. Oh, Billy Goatels. That's what it is. Billy Goat Tells. Billy, you're making it super, super hard, Billy. Copy. Oh, here it is. But it's grayed out. All right, Billy. Let me send him a message again. Send it on X. Billy, I'm trying to send you my people. So here. Mail. Messages. To Billy. still can't forward my people to you. That face. Okay. All right, but what we will do is we will put his YouTube channel. See? For that, that's that. For that. And then I'm gonna go live again later on today. So just kind of give you a heads up. But if we can all go to Billy Goatels and just let him know that I sent you, that would be really, really cool. And make sure to tag me, Trade Intuition. And that should do it, guys. I do thank you very much. Greatly honored that you spent your time with me. And hopefully we can all be on a boat together, enjoying the fruits of our labor, because this crypto run will be amazing. Just needs to start. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, let's make this money. Take care, guys. We'll see you over there at Billy Goatels. Take care. All right, thank you so much, guys. See you over there. Take care. I just said that.